Hi, I am Vlad, the founder of Praxis, the AI experts platform for small business owners. In this video, I'll do three things. Number one, explain what Praxis is for. Number two, demo how to use a Praxis agent. And number three, I'll show you how to join the Praxis platform as a free founding member. Praxis exists for one reason, to enable action for small business owners. Here is what I've observed after years around founders. Most owners get stuck with what they're already doing, the same sales motions, the same pricing, the same delivery habits, and the business becomes a loop. The challenge isn't a lack of ideas, the challenge is clarity. Clarity is what to do differently, what will actually work in your context, and what is not working, and how to translate good ideas into a plan and the system. So when you don't have that clarity, you don't take proactive steps. Everything becomes reactive, responding to customers, responding to fires, market shifts, and cash flow stress. And the brutal truth is, if the business isn't growing, it's declining, it's dying. Without proactive action, decline starts quietly and then it speeds up. So the pattern is simple: no clarity, no vision, no plan, no proactive action. Constraint, the constraints start to creep in, and then reactions start to creep in, and then it becomes a decline. So Praxis breaks that pattern. Praxis builds clarity in your context so you can actually take action, proactive action, and scale your business, start to grow your business. How does it how does it do that? Through specialized AI agents that help you apply proven systems. So you can decide what to do next in your situation with your constraints. Let me show you how AI agents may help. I'll run a real scenario through a Praxis agent, and then I will show you how to create your profile and join Praxis portal as a founding member and access all the other agents. Let's talk about one of most notorious problems in marketing: unclear offer. And we can choose either a product offer or product related business or a service related business. And I will choose the service related business because I'm a coach and it's simply what I know, and it will be easy for me to answer the questions and interact confidently with the AI agents. As a coach, I do a lot of things, but prospects don't instantly get it. And my messages may feel broad and do not convert. So we'll define a clear transformation A to B and a tight positioning. So we'll see how the agent can help doing that. So there's a special agent coach in the business program by Ray J. Green named Roadmap to Repeatable Revenue. And by the way, if you want to watch this program, you can find Ray J. Green's program in YouTube. Google it and watch it. It's very informative, and you can see a lot of ideas there. The agent actually takes all of these ideas and give you step-by-step instructions and asking you questions and leading you so you could apply all of these necessary steps and answer all of the questions, and helps you do that so you could create a tangible asset, the artifact in the end. So what I created in the end is this a blueprint that I can send to any customer with it's called Partnership Deal Clarity Blueprint, which describes the offer, which describes what I do very clearly in the words of the customer, and it has all the necessary components there. So this is what we are going to do today to create an asset that you could print and you could save as PDF and communicate to all your customers in order to enable your marketing effort. And so let's try it. Let's try it together, and then we'll see how to enroll into the Praxis portal as a founding member. Okay, this is Praxis portal at praxis.bushnconsulting.com. You could land on this page and you could see that there's two menu items. I'm already logged in, so it shows my name, Vlad. If you're not logged in, so you will see something else. I will show you how to join in the end, but for now, let's focus on that agent in the portal. So I click on the portal, and it loads all the programs that are available, and I can scroll through them, or I can find one, and I can filter here. So I will choose one for business, which is Ray J Green. So I just scroll it, and I know this is a roadmap for repeatable revenue, and I can choose this program. I simply click on this card, um, and I go inside the program. So now it loads the program and describes the program, and then below that there are agents. So each agent is a card which I can choose and work with. And one of the agents is productizing your service. This is what I need. This is a marketing agent. I know that because I tried that and I know about Ray J Green program. So I just simply click on it, and the agent will open, and I will start talking to the agent. And mind you, I don't want to I don't want to waste your time here. It will take time to talk to the agent, but I will show you how I start and what the agent does, and then I will show you what was in the end because I have it on a separate tab about the result. I will go quickly there. So you could see that the name of the agent is productizing your service, and then this agent already started a conversation with you and with me and start to say, welcome back, Vlad. And actually it knows that I talked to it already before. And what would you like to learn next? So feel free to ask me about the refresher. So if I talked to the agent before, I can say, hey, could you remind me what we talked about before? But I won't do this. I will say, I want to start over and create and productize my Praxis portal offer to my prospects. Okay, and then I click the send, or I can click Control Enter as well. Press Control Enter on my keyboard, but I will click send so you could see what I do. And the agent will think about it. Uh, it sends a message to AI and process that, and it shows me understand the concept. This is step one, understand the concept. Yes, we can start over and productize your portal offer. One question, in one sentence, what does Praxis do for small business? The clearest it helps you statement. Okay, so I like this question and I will give it 5 stars. So it's a good conversation here. I also can copy any message if I want to, but I will just answer this. So Praxis is an AI experts portal that helps small and medium business owners uh, making decisions. Okay, and then I will send that. Okay, it is thinking, and it gives me the answer to structure what we're gonna do next. And it says one question: what specific type of decision does Praxis help SMB owners make most often? Pick the closest. So whether it's financial decisions, sales, marketing decisions, operations decisions, strategy decisions, clarity first across any decision. I would say that Praxis actually works in all of these areas, and there are thousands our agents are planned to be created. So currently it's over 200, but it will be a lot more, and they will be um, giving advice in all kinds of different industries. So um, I would say for now, it's mostly sales, business, strategy, um, negotiation, um, and what else could be there? And marketing, of course. So I will send that, and what it will ask me next. And it says, okay, log Praxis is currently used mostly for sales, business strategy, negotiation, and marketing decisions. One question to productize Praxis clearly, which one decision category do you want Praxis to be known for first? Your wedge, whether it's sales, marketing, business strategy, negotiation. What I want Praxis to be known for is actually um, the, uh, the the coaching for any sort of decision maker making for business. So maybe I can just say that instead of choosing, I would say all of it. Um, I'd put it this way. Um, I want Praxis to be remembered for um, uh, helping with most critical business decisions in the uh, user's context. Okay, let's try that. And I'm using my keyboard. I just pressed Control Enter to send it. I didn't touch my mouse, so I just send it. Okay, it says understand the concept. I got it. You want Praxis known as the place I go to make my most critical business decisions in my context. That's a really good one. It's a really good summary. I think this is what I really want users to know Praxis for. Not a single category tool. Yes, that's right. One question to make that productizable and instantly clear, what is your primary persona for Praxis right now? Who is the ideal user? And I would say solo founder, let's say solo founder, people who start or owner with a small team, or it could be CEO, GM, as established SMB, agency and consult. I would say solo founders most likely, and they do not have leadership team. They do not have people to brainstorm with, but they want to actually, owner with a small team also would benefit, but I would just bet on the sole founder. So I will say A and send it. And you can see that I don't need to actually work hard on providing my answers. It could be pretty easy. It could be just a letter A, and that is good enough. And the agent actually give you uh, the agent give you a really good response and follow up on that. So you could see that the agent keep asking me and figuring out what is the persona, what is the offer, what do I do, and um, by doing that, structuring the offer. And this can continue, and those questions, they're not difficult questions, but you kind of need to make choices. And when you make choices, you move forward with this offer and structuring it, and the agent is actually guiding you to figure it out. It's not like you giving agent some ideas, and the agent start to generate it for you, and then you start to kind of fit your stuff into what agent generated. No, it's the opposite way. The agent just provide you the structure, and you're actually brainstorming and figuring out. So I would like to cut it short because this conversation could be really long. So I just wanted to say that I structured my coaching practice, and what I did, I went through this conversation, and this is a different tab. I make it in a night night theme, so it will be different. And I went through all of this things, and in the end, it gave me a checklist, and it gave me the summary of what I need to do, and also it created me an artifact. Essentially, it created me a document, a PDF document that I can share with the clients. It's called the Partnership Deal Clarity Blueprint, and it contains the title, my information. So it actually created the file for me. Actually, I tried to do it in Canva, and Canva didn't work very well, so it created an HTML for me, so I could where is that? I cannot find this HTML anymore. Maybe I can scroll down and find that HTML. I think it's somewhere here. So it created HTML. Here it is. So it generated HTML that I just copy from here and paste it in a file. And then I put a logo file, a small logo PNG file there, and it generated a user, and then I save it as a PDF. And now there's a PDF file that I can give to any customer. So uh, this is how it works. So essentially, um, it generated all the necessary component, and also even call to action, apply for coaching. So it describes how, what I do, how I do it, why is it important, why is it efficient, and even a little bit of a methodology, the 7 shift that I do, and people can quickly, just looking at this 2 short pages, understand whether it's for them or not. So that's about productizing, and uh, what I can do, I can print it, and also also it gave me a little bit of a quiz to check my knowledge here, and finally it gave me the checklist that I also could save, and then with this checklist I can check with myself whether I'm doing that the right way, whether I communicate in the right way. Okay, so now let me show you how to actually join the Praxis portal. So you could actually join. So first of all, let me just go back to the main page. I just click logo, and I'm on a front page. I will log out so you could see that what you will see when you log in. And I will just log out from here. It says you signed out, so it will bring me back to the main page. So this is what you will see. You will see this picture, and you see create your profile button, and on top it will be activate your portal and login. Login for people who already have login. For you, if you don't have login, you click it, then you will create your profile essentially. And activate your portal, that means you create your login and password, and then you will go to the portal right away. And also here, there are 3 sample agents that you can use. It's just only 3 featured that you can use in order to kind of get a sense of what does it take to communicate. There's a tactical empathy coach, pretty good one. Ideal customer profile builder by Jeb Blount and his program. And turn objections by signals by Brian Tracy program. So you can choose them and play with them, and then you could decide to create your profile. But essentially, creating your profile doesn't take anything from you rather than just your email. And I'm not using email to spam you or send you anything. You're just using your portal. Essentially, it's just for your identification and uh, the password reset if you need that, if you forget your password. So that's the only reason. So I'm not really using your email for any newsletters or whatever, and I don't give it out anywhere. So it's just pretty safe and stored by Microsoft system. So it's not really something that you risk anyhow. So you just activate your profile. I already have account, but if I would click on this activate portal, for example, then I would be given a menu. So if I didn't have my user here, I would say use another account, right? And then here's a choice, so I can use existing accounts that I want, or I can say no account, create one. So if I choose this one, then I provide any email and then click next, and then it will send me a code to verify email, and then I will enter the code and proceed with the next, create a password, and then when I'm done with that, everything is done, then it would bring me right to the portal. So I will show you where you end up. I will just choose my account that I already have, and the password is here as well. So I sign in, and you will have another screen where you provide your password and your name, and then you will be at the portal. And at the portal, you will see programs. So the first program is 7 levels of nurturing is my program. I created that, me as an author, and then the other programs that created after those people, they are not involved, but the agent takes their teaching and creates a program for you to absorb their teaching, and agent creates structural way to teach it. So it's a coach that coaches bargaining for advantage, for example, right? And if you click into bargaining for advantage, you will see J. Richard Shell's agents that are teaching his lessons. Identify your bargaining style, clarify your bargaining goals, and others. So there are many of them. There are 9 agents that you can work with and create your artifact, create your plan, create clarity for yourself, and take proactive action. So that's it for a demo. Okay, to wrap it up, I would like to say this. Small businesses don't fail because owners are incapable. They stall because they lose clarity in their own context. And without clarity, there is no vision. Without vision, there is no plan. And without a plan, there is no proactive action. Praxis exists to break that cycle. If you are stuck, uncertain, or reacting instead of shaping your market, don't wait for a situation to fix itself. Create your profile in the Praxis portal. Start with one problem and solve it, and then continue with the other problems. So let the agent help you think clearly and then act decisively. And it's not going to ruin your budget. You can start for free. You just need to actually take time and think through and brainstorm it and create that necessary asset that you need to move your business forward. So clarity first, action next, and the growth will follow. I'll see you inside Praxis.